Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening Google Pay and navigating directly to payments, no delays. Select the Gold Locker product and complete KYC. You must verify ID and PAN for compliance. Once done, link your bank account or UPI handle so you can buy gold and pay minimal storage charges. Make sure to review limits and fees. Understanding them prevents surprises. Also check your device security, lock screen, and Google account protection, because you are authorizing financial storage through this app. Next, you choose how much gold to buy, specify grams or a rupee amount while watching the live spot price. Once selected, pick between a one-time purchase or set auto-buy rules to average cost over time. After purchase, manage holdings by splitting into grams or consolidated units and check purity and tiny storage fees. Make sure to enable notifications so you know price swings and successful transactions. This helps you act fast when you want to buy more or convert later. To finish, decide whether to redeem as physical gold or sell instantly to your linked bank for liquidity. Follow the in-app steps and select delivery address if choosing physical. You can also transfer or gift locker units, but check limits and charges before confirming. If something goes wrong, first refresh the app and recheck your KYC status. Then contact support with the transaction ID and screenshot. Doing that speeds resolution, and keeping receipts helps prove ownership and speeds refunds or corrections.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.